YouTube Shorts is ruining our society. But how? अब ये समझने के लिए we need to go back to 2020.
At one move, India shut off China's biggest internet export, TikTok, almost overnight.
To capture this huge Indian audience, just like Instagram launched their TikTok alternative Reels, YouTube launched Shorts. पहले इस फीचर को इंडिया में रिलीज किया गया and then globally because they know it works. It catches more eyeballs, leading to more advertisement, which brings more profit. But at what cost? So 3 दिन पहले I as usual logged into YouTube to watch one of my favorite creators, Jake Tran's video, and then I saw a Shorts on my homepage. Interesting. So I clicked. I scrolled down. I swiped down again. I watched another and another and another video, and then all of a sudden I looked at my clock. I have just wasted 50 minutes. Social media already तुम्हें engaged रखने में माहिर था, but Shorts took it to another level. To watch a normal YouTube video, you need to first look at different thumbnails on the homepage or the recommendations or use the search bar. But now all you need to do is swipe down. It is far easier, more convenient. This is why you can watch 10, 20, 50, 100 videos effortlessly, meaning more session time on YouTube and more money for the company. This is music to the ears of those who run the corporation. But for people like you and me, this is a big problem because this is how big companies use your own brain against you, especially dopamine. From an evolutionary standpoint, our brain secretes dopamine to reward us, to give us the sensation of pleasure and joy so that we take those actions which will increase our likelihood to survive. Let's look at an example. Imagine कि तुम्हारे सामने 2 plates रखे हुए हैं, एक के ऊपर salad है और दूसरे के ऊपर एक chocolate है. What would you choose to eat, the salad or the chocolate? Now, you know that salad is the healthier option, but you are far more likely to eat the chocolate due to dopamine. Why? Because chocolate means lots of carbs, means tons of energy, meaning a higher chance of survival. In short, your brain loves and works according to dopamine. And इसी बात का फायदा brands लेती है. They will intentionally make an algorithm, a system which will trigger your brain to release more dopamine. YouTube Shorts is no different because you can consume as much content you want by just a single action of swiping down. You get constant spikes of dopamine every minute. Every time you scroll down, you get a dopamine hit. You feel the pleasure and your brain will want more of it. So you just keep consuming the content without even thinking about it, जो कि तुम्हें लेके जाता है towards addiction, a digital addiction which is as bad as cocaine, heroin and other drugs, and because of which we have a generation whose attention span is decreasing like crazy. तुम जितने टाइम के लिए एक चीज में फोकस रह सकते हो before getting distracted by other activities or sensations is your attention span. This study from 2021 is saying that it has dropped from 10 to 30 minutes to around 2 to 3 minutes. Most people struggle to stay focused for 10 minutes. It is unbelievable. तुम वो सारे कामों को टालने लगोगे जो कि तुम्हें एक instant massive dopamine boost नहीं देगा, like going to gym, working out, choosing that salad over the chocolate. The more dopamine your brain gets today, the more it will crave for. Obviously, I am not only blaming YouTube Shorts for it. For me, जब TikTok globally launched हुआ था, that was the beginning of it. But Reels and Shorts are putting the final nail on the coffin. Why? Because it brings